Okay, so now I need to make my chicken. So I bought this seasoned chicken at Grocery Outlet. I had really good luck there. Let me see if I can find. I bought two things there, and I'm going to stay with Grocery Outlet for this chicken. I will buy 10 pounds, and then this is a hamburger. I like this hamburger. You get 8 1/3 pound portions for $6.99. So one hamburger would be enough. So if you have a Grocery Outlet. Okay, so I melted a little margarine in the bottom of a pan. You just need a little bit because you're gonna now pour either, you can use one of two things. You can use a cream of chicken, cream of mushroom soup, but I'm using chicken gravy. I think it's cheaper. So now I save my foil tint and I will just cover my chicken and bake 350. Now the thing about this is you don't want to be in a hurry. You want to take your time and you want to bake it, good, because it's going to taste good. Okay, so now here is my tea. I kept it in the freezer, and here is my pineapple that I froze. And I'm using my frozen fruit like ice cubes. No wasting the fruit. Okay, now here is my stovetop biscuits. Let's have one. Let me try it. I'm going to tell you. If it tastes lousy, I'm going to tell you. It's not going to taste lousy, though. One thing you don't want to run out of is margarine. I usually buy one, and I keep one in I don't know what I did with my, this is important. Here we go. And then also I forgot to mention in my stockpile for the car living, I have peanut butter and jam. I have this kind of jam. I buy this at Dollar Tree. I buy strawberry and grape. If they had another flavor, I'd buy that too. But jam is nice because you can eat jam on pancakes, toast. Cornbread. If you don't have much fruit, the jam is really going to help. Okay, so this is the rest. So my peach tea is a little frozen, but that's okay. I just pour a little. It's pretty hard to beat the homemade tea. I like that Walmart tea, however. So, okay, I will be back with chicken, butter, rice, and biscuits.